Prior to use, select the appropriate hand grips for the user. To switch handles, press the small release button to remove. To apply the handle, press the release button and place the handle on the pin until it is secured. The pedals can be quickly changed from out of phase to in phase by unscrewing the knob, rotating the handle 180 degrees, and screwing the knob back in place. Loosen the cam lever to unlock the arm cycle. This will allow the cycle to swivel to align with the user's position. Lock in place once positioned. Adjust the resistance by rotating the resistance knob. The tablet can be rotated for setup and adjusted for proper viewing by the user. Move the frame over the user. Ensure the arm cycle is centered over the user. To stabilize the device, once in place, step directly down on the larger lever on each foot pedal to lock. Use the lever to adjust the height of the arm cycle. And have the patient complete 3 to 4 rotations to ensure comfort and position. Examples of improper positions. When it is positioned too low, you will notice the elbows making great contact with the bed. And when it's too high, you will notice extreme rocking of the shoulders and body. The arm cycle can be used in a seated position or in standing. When the user has finished, first raise the arm cycle away from the patient before unlocking the brakes. To release the levers, step on the smaller lever that has remained in the up position and carefully pulling the device away from the bed.